that you love you. Pretty young thing, you need some loving.
What's up, Kalamazoo? Executive Chef Josh Kirby here, along with chef and dietitian Kirsten Strong. Fall might be creeping in just a little bit, but we're sticking with summer. We're gonna make a fresh Michigan summer take on a Panzanella salad. The basil, the tomatoes, blueberries, you can all get it at the local farmer's market or your local grocery store. Let's get into it.